In this video, we'll walk you through the process of adding a quote to your email signature. We use the MySignature signature generator to demonstrate how to add quotes to email signatures. Go to the MySignature website and start creating your email signature. You can add your name and photo to make your signature more visually appealing. To add a quote, go to the Add-on section. Next, please add the Disclaimer add-on and select the custom type. In the text field, you can insert your favorite quote. Now, let's customize your quote. You can change its color, size, and position within the email signature. Where should you place a quote in your email signature? The key is to integrate the quote seamlessly without overshadowing your essential contact details. When you're happy with the signature, save it. Now you're ready to add it to your email clients. That's it. We hope you enjoyed this video. To create a more professional email signature, use MySignature.